Hello, this is Doris again. I want to do a haul video. I went to the Tucson, the 2020 Tucson Gem and Bead Show. Had a lot of fun. I just want to do just one of the places I went. There was a vendor that's in one of the tents, and he has tons of closeouts. And he's one of my favorite vendors to go to every year. So the first thing I got is these were eight times 3.15. This was $15. Oh yeah, he wrote it right here. 15. And I hope you like my new little mat. Sometime I embroidery on some felt. That way, just something to look at when you're, doing certain things. $15 and you get quite a few little bead caps. Oops, that one got cracked, so you always, these are a nice size, and for the work I do, I always take a little, yeah, that'll fit perfect in that little trays I use for a lot of my work. So I got that. And in future videos, I'll show some of the finished items. And these were, I think, $5, 150 pieces. And I actually made some of these before. And these are little bead caps with little dangles on them. Trying to get my little camera angles. I got white and black, and also on some of his items you get some of the items you get just one bag, but I don't know why I feel feathery. Doing a lot of feathers, so got that. And these are cute right here. I got the storks. These are for my reveal earrings I sell on Etsy, so that's going to be real cute. Pink or blue. And I'll have these in my Etsy store or a regular store. I don't know yet, but these are some nice findings and kind of big too. Little storks. These are all $10. Nothing is marked there, so it's the flavor of the day. Oh, I thought it was only one bag, and it came two. Sometime, $5, $10. It's cute little butterflies. One little crystal in the middle, little finding. Nice little glitter beads. little flat models. These would be cute with a bead cap on the top and a bead cap on the bottom. A lot of bling right here. Double spacers with the crystal AB. Those are cute. And like I said, most of the time it's 2 packs. Here's some more little storks. And little starfish. And another pack of starfish. So it says 13 pieces, so 26. And whenever you go out, for some reason you pick up some of the strangest things, and this is one. You just like them. Little puzzle pieces. So these were cute. Also got another bag. These are bigger than the last ones. It's only 100 pieces in here. So if you ever get a chance to go to Tucson in their annual show, it'd be well worth it. Little bead cap on there. They're so cute. And $6. These are some of eye pins. These like about 2-inch, inch and a half eye pins. And I like these because they're so soft. They're not silver, but they behave like silver. And you can wrap beads really tight with those. And these strands these are double, you know. These are like here. Here's the end, so you get all these beads. And they're like $1 a strand. And these are nice, look like 8 millimeters. And these are more 8 millimeters. Gray. And here's another. This is a gray. These are all faceted, real pretty. So I have these. These are $10, but if you buy like this, you get 10 strands, but they charge you 8. So it's always good to, if you were just to pull these individually, they'll be $1, but if you get the whole little bunch, then they'll charge you $8. And that was from that vendor. Sorry for the crinkling. And I just stayed probably, I didn't do a long time this time. I didn't stay long. I think I stopped in about 3 hours, which was and here's these are all beads for my work I do, and they started putting cards in, so you got a little card. And these are all top drilled These make beautiful flowers. So this is what I'm going to work on tonight. I'm going to work out of this bag. And some of the I got these beads just because they were unusual. They got little bumpies on them. And these were nice, I want to call them argyle cut. So I got 2 strands of those, 2 strands of these, and the rest are top drilled teardrops for flowers. And these look so pretty on, these look so pretty on the, my sequins earrings. A lot of different colors. Red, gray. AB, some more darker red. A lot of milk AB. This was a little strand. And all the ones I just showed were $3 a strand, so. It was $3.50, but you know how that goes. The more you spend, the cheaper they get. And I did go through all my other beads and found out I did not have enough of the small 4mm beads. So that will not be the problem again. So these were, they were $1, but I got, she charged me 90 cents because I got the more than 100. So like I said, the more you spend, some people were just getting hanks and hanks of them. I'm like, oh, must be nice. So these are those, and they're all pretty, shiny, nice colors. So I'll get these organized. In the meantime, they're going. And please subscribe to my channel because I will be doing a lot of tutorials. Oh, here's a hank. And this was nice how they had this one, hank. They had all the blues together. And I think I got one with greens in the other one. So that was nice for them to, you know, group these together. And these were, that's goes with the 90 cents ones. These were $1. And they normally were $1.50, but like I said, the more you buy, the cheaper things get. All different kind of colors. Well, for the rest of the night, I will be organizing my little bead haul. But please subscribe and check out DorisDesignz, my online store for finished products. And thanks for watching.